Good afternoon. It's 1:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12/19/2012. I have the daily Dow Jones chart. Since we started this oversold condition for Thanksgiving and Christmas rally, has come right back up here to a major neckline on very light volume all the way up with the daily distribution. Today, the Dow ended up down 98.99 points with that daily reversal. Another thing that I would say is that we've had a about an 8-day buy signal. And when they were down here and our other platforms that we have at SMF, of course you had to be a buyer. The thing about it is the fiscal cliff remains the same. This is the beginning of a daily reversal bar from the very high point where major support had broke down and we put in these last lows. The deal making in Washington hasn't done anything. The upside volatility is you're supposed to have Thanksgiving and Christmas rallies. The problem is today's date is 12/19. Volume is going to contract even more. What I will tell people is a lot of people miss these short-term rallies from oversold conditions and they start buying up toward the highs. Please don't be a victim, nor do that. This is holiday volatility. And what drives them up as we get a retracement, depending on what they do out of Washington, it wouldn't take much to sell this market right back down to where it started. That's the Dow. The S&P 500 daily market wrap, as I said yesterday, coming right back up here to where the tops were. We talked about hitting 1450 on the S&P. We all know that because that's what I said. And the high today, yesterday, and today we got up there 1448 yesterday and 1447 today with a daily reversal on the S&P. Once again, they have buy signals. They were in deep sell signals. This is where you want to be buying down here. Now that the move has happened, don't chase the market up here. Do not be a victim to chasing where the rallies have gone by. Most people remain on the sideline until something is done with the fiscal cliff. The market is very complacent. The fear is like everything is anticipated. I will tell you, like I've been saying, and that if they do make a deal, it won't be quite as good. But once the market finds out the deal is made, it's time to sell and take profit. 2013 is totally a new year, a new tape, and a new beginning. And we will do the evaluations and we'll do everything that we have to do once again to start the new year out right. So basically, what I'm saying is, as I've always said back when we were oversold, that these markets in November and December are the best months of the year. And once again, the Wall Street bonuses are all at their worst levels. So basically, the S&P 500 has rising 10 and 20-day moving averages. We came from the very deep oversold area. We hit that 1450 target. We're close enough to it, exactly anticipated from here to there. Today was a reversal bar. The headline volatility remains the same nonetheless. We've already given the analysis out enough. This is just your update. As far as the Nasdaq composite goes, it too, which was a little bit laggard. Also, they got all buy signals. There are buy signals are bull signals. They're not bear signals. Bear signals are when they go like this. And this is where that bottom was. And this is the time of year you rally. But I can tell you, do not chase this rally into year end going into 13. You weren't in over here when it was oversold and didn't understand how to do it, that's fine. The broader part of hedge fund manager community, investment community remains on the sideline until they can really find out what's going to happen. The majority of the crowd. Don't be one that gets in up here. Okay? Short-term data is that we'll keep monitoring the Nasdaq 100 right here, which hit our target, and that was 2712. The last time we were over here off of the bottom, deeply oversold. This one here has very shallow buy signals on it, but it's getting better on the Nasdaq 100. And the Nasdaq 100 component is right here, down 14.4 handles. So basically within the overall ranges of support and resistance levels and gaps and holiday rallies is that we've hit right up here. What is good is that we did special work on buying the 26.95 index put, hit $8. The high today was 13.55. We did a lot of training over the weekend, and it's on the site about trading the Nasdaq 100, whether it's on the call side or the reversal on the put side. Both we do. So basically, everything has hit that wall of resistance level. We'll be monitoring these trades very carefully. The volume will be bigger. Dow Jones down 98, NDX down 1440, Composite down 10.17, and S&P 500 down 10.98. Beware that volatility is going to be light volume volatility, and that the deal making, once the deal is making, listen, the deal making is we've already rallied up to here in anticipation that they're going to do the right thing. So when it becomes evident, it's time to sell the market, not buy it. Once again, stay tuned.